So, July was such a beautiful reading month, and I read approximately 5 to 6 books. So, let's just talk about it because I love books. First one, I pick up this author called Chitra Banerjee, and the books were so memorable. I wanted to read it once again and every time if I get a chance to read it. The very first one is this book called The Place of Enchantments. This book talks about Mahabharata, but from the perspective of Draupadi. So you will get a very strong feeling of strong emotion, deep meanings, etc. But it's too good. You know, if you are into historical writings and you want to know more about what happened in the past, you should go for it. It's too good, too fresh. Next one is from the same author. The book is called The Forest of Enchantments, and this talks about the Ramayana, and also it is by the same female protagonist, but it shows you the story from the perspective of Sita. Everything, every hurdle, every small deep stories that happened, and they just show all the characters like they are human beings, and all the difficulties, all the emotions that we feel, they felt in the book. And Sita is expressing it in her own words, so it is so fresh and a very strong female point of view will get into it, so must read. Then let's go towards to the book. Oh my god, I have never expected this book to be this good, and it is a very quick read. The book is called How to Kill Men and Get Away with It. I don't know if I will get criticized by saying such title out loud. The book is a very dark, humor, witty. Oh my god, I don't know. It is a very dark comedy thriller with a very loud humor in it. If you like it, if you like all of those things, you should go for it. I don't want to ruin the plot for you, so these are all the vocabulary, all the adjectives that I wanted to use so that you may know what you can expect in this. Then the next one is, oh my god, this book, Tuesdays with Mori, phenomenal book. If you want to know relationship between old and young, life choices, everything from a very soft and very easy way. It is a very easy reading book. If you are starting your book journey, you can start with this book. The vocabulary of the book is so good, and the meanings, insane. So good, so heart-wrenching book. Loved it. Go for it. It's a very small read, but it will take a lot of time because you will deep down into it once you will get started with it. I hope you're getting it. Then everybody who want to start literature or you want to start reading Kafka, so I bought this book from a railway station, I remember. So this book is called The Great Works of Franz Kafka. This has all the little short stories written over here. एक ही book में you will get a lot of themes all together. For example, absurdity, bureaucracy, stillness, that heart sink feelings. But I know it is intense, but it will be a very memorable experience. After completing this huge book, you will feel like, you read something good. But it can be a little hard to read at first. Yeah. So I advise you to keep a pocket-sized dictionary with you so that you will, get along with all the words that came along. So enjoy reading. Okay, bye. See ya. Days like more book.